Hello fellow traders, welcome again to Porsaj Forex Academy. My name is Simon and I'm here with our second signal of the day, and this signal is going to be on BTCUSD, aka Bitcoin per US dollar. So with no more time to waste, let's head to the calendar and see what we have. Okay, now that we are on our calendar, currently what I understand from the overall look at these diagrams, I found out that the movement at the first of the week is going to be a bearish movement to the downside to a certain level, and today's signal is going to be a buying signal, which you have to wait for it to happen. And we are going to actually experience a lot of bearish impact at the end of the week through Thursday to Friday, and eventually you'll find out that sellers will get the leverage over the buyers and have a lot more power than the buyers in the market. But as you all know me, I don't believe in news, so let's head to the chart and see what we have. Okay, now that we are on the chart, as you can see, we're on BTCUSD on 1 hour time frame, and as always I have pre-drawn some zones for you. The blue zone, as always, is our trading zone, the green zone is a real-time support, and the red zone is a real-time resistance, which is going to help us to set our TPs and stop loss. And let me show you how I draw these zones. The green zone is actually made by two semi-equal highs, which are like this, scaled like this, and if I extend it to the left side, it will be more clear to you that these two equal highs were taken and the price never came back down below it. So it actually happens to become a really strong support level. The blue area is an area of liquidity which actually holds a lot of money below it, and if the price happens to come below the level, it will gather a lot of money and will have the bullish momentum to help it to again pass the level to the upside and make this blue area a very strong support, so it can help the price of Bitcoin to rise up. And the red zone is actually the last zone that holds a lot of liquidity above it, which is actually not taken. So the price of BTC might want to come up of here and take the liquidity and then start to fall down. So the plan is going to be like this: we wait for the price to come down, or maybe it's better to wait for it to come below the level and then give us a pullback to the upside, and then wait for another pullback. And if you saw any confirmation that suits your trading style, you can enter your trade and enjoy the ride to the upside. What I want from you now is to sit back, enjoy the music, so I can make this beautiful for you guys. Enjoy. Okay guys, now that we have this beautiful setup, I hope you have enjoyed it. Have a good time and peace.